G'day everyone, it's Chris O. I've got the plumber in the ensuite. He's just finishing or fitting off a few things. I've still got to fit the vanity and that sort of thing, but I'll wait till he's out. Now I'm starting in this laundry. I'm going to be going up that wall, and this wall will be a half wall, and that wall will be a half wall, tiled to the floor. I've got to take out that tub and we'll just put it back. It's going to be temporary because the owner wants to put a whole shelf right through, and the washing machine, washing machine and dryer and everything can go underneath the bench. So it's going to end up a lovely laundry. And then I move into this bathroom here. This is the bathroom, so I'll be stripping it all out. It's going to have a freestanding bath, shower about the same size, new vanity, a set-in mirror cabinet, same as the ensuite, and then I'm redoing that toilet. It has a new toilet, so I'm redoing the floor and a skirting. So yeah, I'll be here for a day or two yet. We'll see you.